Hi guys, welcome to Amalove's Diary. Let me show you how to do this water effect. You keep a bucket of water and turn it for a few seconds, then you wait. After waiting, you save the video and import it to your Capcut. So this is Capcut and this is my video. So this place that I worked in, I'm going to trim it off because I don't need it. Just split and delete. Then I'll go to the end, split and delete. I don't need the end. I don't need the ending part. I'm going to split and delete. Okay, so the place, just immediately I finished turning the water, this place that I waited, I'm going to import my water spring black background. You can get it from TikTok. Just type water spring black background and you will see it. This is it. So this is where my own background started. I'm going to trim this one off. Then this is where my own background started. So it has to start this place that I finished turning the water. But you can see that my background is longer than my video. You can make your video longer or you increase the speed of your background, of your water spring background. So I'm going to increase the speed so that they can be of the same length. This remaining part, I'm going to split and delete it. Okay, so this is what we have now. So I'm going to click on the black background, go to remove BG, remove background, click on chroma key, use it and remove the black background. Okay, so I have removed the black background and this is what I have now. Only the water spring that looks like hook, fish hook or something. So I want it to start immediately I removed my hand, so I'm going to adjust it, a little adjustment. Then reduce it to the size of my bucket. If your bucket or your water is too big, you can increase your own size, but you can see that my bucket is small, so I have to reduce it to the size of my bucket and then split and delete this part that is also longer. You can either increase the speed or you split and delete. Also remember to remove the volume of the background they are using, whether it is green screen or black background. Make sure you remember to remove the volume. So this is what we have, but this background is still bigger than my bucket, so I just have to reduce the size. So you keep adjusting your own to fit the size of the water you are using, whether bucket or basin. You keep adjusting it to fit the size. Once you get the perfect size, you play the video and see what you've done, whether it is good. Then you click on export and save your video.